done in pairs, some are done in single pieces. Now the technician who is going to install these will only bring their cable here and screw here, tie your cable, then return the cover and you are done.
The company has proved to produce high-quality solar modules to a level of attaining an ISO 900-12008 certification.
As a local manufacturer, we must adhere to minimum quality standards required by the market. Now that brings a benefit to the market.
What makes it different is the engineering that we've done into it. That is the technology that we've tried to make it, and also the quality of the product that you are making.
Most of the staff here is youthful and ready to learn. Lavender Amondi is the line manager of the sales modeling department. This is her first employment. Before, she was a self-employed artist, but her work could not give her much and she abandoned it to take this job on offer. 1 year later, she is fully trained at this crucial department.
It's a great thing, like starting from scratches, like from assembling the cells and putting them together. In the end, when you see what you've made, you feel proud and you feel so happy.
She is satisfied to know that her work brightens someone's life out there.
It motivates me a lot, knowing that you're saving someone's health, because you know some people use lanterns with the kerosene, which is very hazardous to their health. But when they use the solar, it is very healthy. There are no gases emitted.
Youth in the country have been accused of being lazy, wanting to get rich quicker. But Lavender has an advice to her peers.
And it wasn't easy for me. Like, you'll try to find that daily bread, but it's not easy. Especially you find families that, okay, there's a lot of poverty outside. So when you are given such an opportunity, you tend to, like, you want to work so hard because there are not such opportunities. There are not so many of such opportunities.
Ubink East Africa Limited is currently producing over 100 solar modules a day. The aim is to manufacture around 30,000 annually and in 5 years be able to range in between 90,000 to 120 annually.
With that dream in mind, that actually it's not just about selling solar panels, but with selling a solar panel, we are improving the quality of life of a family.
To achieve high production for any company, proper management of a company is a crucial aspect. When it comes also to staff management, some companies adopt the pyramid structure and others the flat structure. What has Ubink adopted to get the most out of its production lines?
Relatively, we try to get a lot of employee engagement. We apply a Japanese production management philosophy called Kaizen. That is all about actually employees themselves developing ideas and implementing the solutions on whatever problems that occur. If managers would stop demotivating their staff, they would not have to worry about motivating them. So I think that is indeed, I as a manager need to continuously take care that I don't demotivate my staff. Because the moment I demotivate them, I need to spend more time on motivating to get them back to the same level.
Now the company's annual turnover is at 250 million mark and its 5-year strategic plan is based on a dream of covering the whole of East Africa and be able to touch one family in 10 by producing over 100,000 solar modules per year.
We really feel that with that dream of 5 million East Africans now being happy users of our products, we've made a difference.